In this video, I'll show you how to delete apps on a Samsung phone. This is useful if you want to remove apps you no longer use, free up storage space, or clean up your home screen. The first method is from the home screen or app drawer. Start by finding the app you want to delete. Once you see the app, press and hold on the app icon for a few seconds. A small menu will appear on the screen. From this menu, tap Uninstall. Your Samsung phone will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Tap OK or Uninstall again, and the app will be deleted from your phone. Now, another way to delete apps is through Settings. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find the app you want to remove, then tap on it. Now tap Uninstall, then confirm your choice. After that, the app will be removed from your Samsung phone. Just keep in mind that some system apps cannot be completely deleted. For those apps, you may only see an option to disable instead of uninstalling them. And that's how you delete apps on a Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you remove unwanted apps and free up some space on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.